Hello people, I'm back with another video series about facts and trivia, where I'll be getting you the interesting information regarding anything and everything that we are not aware of in general. We all love a good sci-fi movie that drifts us to faraway planets and distant galaxies. But in fact, there are plenty of mind-blowing stuff happening right here on the Earth. For instance, do you know that our oceans hold more than $700 trillion worth of gold? Or that the Earth used to look purple few billion years ago? Or are you aware of the fact that Mount Everest is not the tallest mountain on the planet? Yes, it's all true. For those and more of such amazing facts, make sure you watch the video till the end. Number 1. Earth used to be purple. We know that most of the living organisms on this planet survive through oxygen generated through the process called photosynthesis. We even know that a green pigmented molecule called chlorophyll is responsible for the process of photosynthesis. And that is the reason why today Earth appears green. But in fact, the earliest stages of photosynthesis used to happen due to a purple pigmented molecule called retinal. Hence, Earth used to appear purple before humans evolved on this planet. Number 2. 60 tons of cosmic dust falls on the Earth daily. Cosmic dust is a form of dust that falls from meteorites, comets, and other solar bodies of the space. This dust increases the level of sodium and iron on the planet's atmosphere. You must be thinking that 60 tons of added weight every day would increase the mass of the Earth. But the answer is no. Because on the other hand, it is also losing 50,000 metric tons of hydrogen and helium gases every year. So it doesn't create any noticeable differences to the mass of the Earth. Number 3. The oceans hold $771 trillion worth of gold. Geologists believe that there is around 20 million tons of gold accumulated in the oceans, not on the ocean bed or ocean floor, but in the water itself, in the form of fine particles. In fact, each liter of ocean water would contain 13 billionth of gram of gold. There were a long list of stories in the history where many people tried to extract the gold from the water, but none were able to economically extract it till date. Number 4. Earth had 2 moons. Most scientists believe that the evolution of moon happened when a Mars-sized object collided with the Earth about 4.5 billion years ago. But some had the evidences to say that actually the collision resulted in the form of 2 moons. And eventually, due to gravity and other aspects, these 2 moons collided again to form a single moon. And that is the reason why one side of the moon looks different from the other side. Number 5. Rocks can walk. Sounds a bit scary, right? Yes, this scary phenomenon is been happening since years in the Death Valley of California. According to Newton's first law, we know that any object will not change its motion until and unless an external force is acted upon. But here, the scenario seems the other way around. The stones here weigh around 150 to 200 kilograms, which requires a bit of efforts even for a human beings to move it. The scientists have come up with few assumptions, but were not so sure about the kind of invisible force that is pushing these stones for years. Number 6. The tallest mountain is not Mount Everest. Let me ask you a small question. Who do you think is the tallest person of the two? The one with 4 feet standing on the bench, or the one with 6 feet standing on the floor? Of course, the 6 feet person is meant to be the tallest. Same applies to this fact. Hence, Mount Kia, which is located in Hawaii, is meant to be the tallest mountain on the planet because most of its structure is submerged inside the waters. And that is the reason why Mount Everest is called as the highest mountain. It is not called as tallest mountain. So Mount Kia is the tallest mountain and Mount Everest is the highest mountain peak on this planet. Number 7. The Atlantic and Pacific Oceans don't mix. It seems that Earth has only one big ocean. Though we all know that all lakes merge into rivers, all rivers merge into seas, and all seas merge to form an ocean. The unknown fact is some waters don't merge. One such example is borders between the Atlantic and Pacific Ocean. The satellite pictures makes us assume that there might be some invisible wall in the borders that is stopping them to merge. But the reason is due to the differences between density, salinity, and other features of the water that will not allow the H2O molecules to merge with each other. This sort of differences in the biological and chemical makeup of water is known as halocline. Number 8. The magnitude 12 can split the earth. The biggest earthquake ever recorded till date is the Valdivia earthquake that happened in the country Chile with the magnitude 9.5. So the earth never experienced any earthquake above 9.5. But if it measures 12, it would simply divide the earth into two. Anyhow, this scenario is theoretically as well as practically impossible to happen anywhere in future. And the other interesting fact is some earthquakes can be felt on the other side of the earth. In 2013, the magnitude 8 occurred near Kuril Islands located in Russia, and surprisingly the people in Australia also felt it. Number 9. Days are getting longer. Yes, the length of the Earth's day is increasing. When the Earth was formed 4.6 billion years ago, its day would have been roughly around 6 hours. But after 620 million years, it has increased to 21.9 hours. And today, the average day is 24 hours. And even now, it is increasing by about 1.7 milliseconds every century. The reason behind this lag is Moon. Yes, the pull of the Moon's gravity shifts around Earth's insiders, creating bulges. So as the Earth rotates, the bulges will move away from the Moon, but the Moon pulls back on them, creating an opposite force. Magically, if the Moon's gravity increases, the Earth's rotation would even slow down, and one day it might not even rotate. But chill, that's highly impossible according to the planetary science. Number 10. Our Sun has a voracious appetite. The Sun is one of the stars, and just like other stars, Sun also reaches its expiry date when it completely exhausts the supply of hydrogen. But before that, it becomes 100 times more bigger and 2000 times more luminous. In this process, it vaporizes the whole solar system. This scenario is estimated to happen after 5 billion years. But still, not that probable to happen because the space is all magical. Anything may vary at any point of time. So that's all it is. Which of these facts made you feel crazy? Do let me know in the comment section. If you found it interesting, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Bye for now and see you next time.